Meet the Palmyra Palm, known as the tree of life. This powerful tree gives more than shade. Its sweet juice refreshes. Its fruits are packed with nutrients, and its leaves and wood build homes that last for generations. From food to shelter, from medicine to tradition, every part of the Palmyra Palm is useful. It supports families, communities, and cultures, standing tall as a symbol of strength and sustainability. The Palmyra Palm is not just a tree. It's nature's endless gift. Celebrate it, share it, keep the legacy alive.